In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your battery on your Honda CR-V. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to disconnect our negative battery terminal. Again, using a 10mm socket, we're going to disconnect the positive. Take that off. Now we're going to pull this off, the harness off the hold down. Using a 10mm socket with a 3/8 drive so that the socket is long enough, you're going to loosen up your nut for your hold down. And you're going to keep loosening it till the little L-shaped rod can come out from below. It looks pretty loose, so now we're going to take out this 10mm for the bracket. And we're going to swivel that over. We'll just take that out at the end. And now we're going to pick the battery up. Make sure you get your hand underneath the battery while pulling it out. This tray seems to be falling apart. Alright, once you get it out of that stage, you're going to want to put both hands underneath so that this plastic piece around the battery doesn't break and you don't drop the battery. Alright, so make sure that your negative is on the driver's side and your positive is on the passenger side. Now we're going to, again, grab on from the bottom and place your battery in. Now we're going to put our positive terminal on. We're going to snug it up. Make sure it doesn't move. And now we're going to put our negative on. Snug it up. You're going to make sure you're on this side of the harness. And feed that rod into the hole below. And then you're going to feed the hole down. This is typically held down with some grommets, so if your grommets are there, you're going to want to undo these plastic grommets. You're going to slide it under there. And then you can bolt this down. Tighten this first. Okay, once that's tight, you're going to pull up on this rod, secure it with your hand below, and then you're going to tighten down this nut. You'll know it's tight enough because the battery won't move around. Alright, after you're done with that, you can put your wiring harness back on its stud.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.